Me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is membership operators in Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python membership operators. So the membership operators are used as to check the if the sequence is correct or not. So there are two types of membership operators, that is in and not in. So these are the operators. These are the membership operators, and the meaning is in operator stands for that result is true if the value is find. Result is true if the value is find. So the not in is result is true if the value is not find. So for an example, first of all, we'll be using the example of in membership operator. So first of all, we have to take some values like this. Suppose my first value is AB, and after that comma, my second value is CD. So I'll put this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is X. So now I have to check the sequence, if the sequence is correct or not. So now I'll print here, that is, in print I am asking that if my value, that is AB, in X or not. So the value of the result is that AB value is being presented in the value of X. So the answer is true. So this is the first example of in membership operator. So the second example is, if I am writing here, if the value, that is only A is present in X, so there is no single A being presented, so the answer will be false, because the operator could not find the A value in the X one. So the second example is not in membership operator of Python. So we'll write here the changes, that is, I am asking not in into the X variable. So now I am asking if my value, that is AB, is not in X, so the answer is, like, AB is being printed in the X, so the answer is false. So if I am asking that my value, that is A, is not in X, so there is no value, so the answer is true, because the A is not here. So in this way we can use the in and not in operator, membership operator, in the Python programming language. So now we are discussing about the membership operator. So first of all, we'll discuss about the in operator. So now we have taken a variable, that is X, and the two values are Rupali and the next value is Sharma. So now to take the output, we are using the print function, in which we are asking that is my Rupali variable value is in X or not. So now we'll see the output, that is true, that my word Rupali is in the variable value, that is X, is been printed, and the answer is true. So the next example is, like, my variable name is X and the value is I am taking here, that is in double quotes, that is Rupali, and the second value is, that is Mink. So now we'll get the result after that. So we'll write here print function, in which I am asking that if my value, that is Sharma, is in X or not. So the result is that is false because the Sharma is not the value in the X's values. So the answer is false. So the another example is of not in operator. So in this way we can use an in operator, that is in membership operator. So the second one is not in operator. So the syntax is as like X's value is Rupali and the second value is Sharma. So now to see the output I am going to print, that is print function, in which I am asking if my value that is named that is Mink not in X, not present in X. So we'll see the output that is true, that Mink name is not present in these variable values. So the answer is true, that is not found. So the another example of not in membership operator is X's value is, suppose first value is Rupali and the second value I am taking that is Sharma. So now I'll go to the print function in which I am asking that if my value that is Rupali not in X, so we'll see the output that is false because the name Rupali is been dedicated into these variable values. So the answer is false because we found the variable. So in this way we can use the not in operator. In this way we can use the membership operators that are in, and the second one is not in operator in the membership. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.